Have you ever imagined pairing cloves with lemon? At first, it may feel a bit unusual or even surprising, yet this simple combination can deliver amazing results and serve multiple practical purposes around your home. Using just one lemon cut in half and a handful of cloves, you can create a natural, effective solution that is easy to prepare, making it a versatile addition to your DIY household routines. Before we dive into why this pairing works so well, let me share another clever home trick with cloves that many people overlook. Take a tablespoon of cloves and a tablespoon of dried mint, then grind them together until you get a fine powder. This step unlocks the hidden essential oils and active compounds within the spices. Cloves are often underestimated, but they are truly powerful for both health and everyday life, offering benefits far beyond cooking. Friends, leave a comment with the country you are watching this video from so I can send you a warm like and heart. I really appreciate your support. Once the powder is ready, combine it with around 300 milliliters of hot water. Stir well, let it cool to a comfortable temperature, and then strain the liquid through a clean cloth. Add a splash of fresh lemon juice from half a lemon. This creates one of the most effective DIY natural mouth rinses you can make at home. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with strong antibacterial properties that combat harmful bacteria and support healthy gums. Lemon juice works as a natural antiseptic, refreshing your breath and reducing gum irritation, while mint provides a cooling sensation, soothes, and leaves a pleasant aroma. Using this rinse once or twice a week for 30 seconds to 1 minute is enough to notice real improvements. Now let's return to the original idea and see how combining cloves and lemon in a different way can also be highly practical. Take half a lemon and press several cloves into its pulp, forming a simple yet highly effective mixture. This combination is not just visually appealing, but it works as a natural repellent against mosquitoes, ants, and other insects. The strong scent of cloves, particularly their eugenol content, effectively deters pests, while the lemon adds freshness. You can place this mixture on windowsills, in the kitchen, bedroom, or even under the bed to enjoy a calm, insect-free space. It also works well in wardrobes to protect cloves from moths. After about a week, make a new mixture to keep your home naturally fresh and protected. So next time you have a lemon and some cloves, remember that this combination is more than just a food flavoring. It can improve your health, refresh your living space, and keep insects away safely and naturally. Friends, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel for more useful DIY tips and home tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.